Framing theory. Framing is a concept which is commonly used to understand the media effects. It is regarded as the extension of agenda-setting theory which prioritizes an issue and makes the audience think about its effects. General purpose of framing theory. Framing used to represent the communication aspect which leads to the people's preference by consenting one meaning to another. Framing stimulates the decision-making process by highlighting particular aspects by eliminating the others. For example, the newspaper frames the news within a particular viewpoint. This can change the perception of the issue among the readers. Example of framing theory. The sensitive issues that are coming in the media have been framed diplomatically by not supporting any principles, and thus the people can make their own decisions. But a biased media can frame an issue negatively and can influence the mass. Intuition and careful interpretation of the audience are inevitable when it comes to framing.
Assumption of framing theory. Framing theory aims to identify the individual's vision scheme to the world. Based on framing theory, the key assumptions taken from the thesis of framing theory are related to the media. This assumption has stated that the mass media draws definite public attention to main topic, and it also decides whether the audience has understood the message or not. It gives people to think about something very important and tends to even pursue them. For example, in real life, it's a comparison between the Malay and English newspapers in describing the issue of goods and service tax (GST) in the term of news framing by analyzing the coverage of two newspapers, namely Utusan and The Star.
Aspect or process of communication. There are two aspects in framing. First, choose the fact, reality. The process of selecting this fact is based on assumption. Journalists are unlikely to see prospective stage event. In choosing this fact, it always contains two possibilities: what is included and what is excluded. Which part is emphasized in reality, what part of the reality is being reported, and which part is not reported. Second, write the facts. This process relates to how the selected facts are presented to the audience. The idea is expressed by white words, sentence, and proposition, with the help of accentuating photos and pictures, and so forth.